What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. I want to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. Everybody, in this video, we are going to be doing a 6-month update on the Kronos coating that I put on my Civic from PhoenixEOD. It's 6 months. It's at the 6-month mark since I've applied it. I did do an application video. For those of you guys that follow along the channel and my regulars, you guys already probably have seen that. But if you have not seen the install video, I will link it down in the description, as well as where you can find PhoenixEOD products, especially the Kronos. So yeah, 6 months since I put it on. I don't hate on me, guys, but I have not washed this thing in about 3 months. Yeah, about 3 months, a little over 3 months. It's been pouring down rain for the past 3.5 weeks. I finally got some sunshine today. It's gorgeous out. Extremely windy though. So I'll be using my my other shotgun mic with the rabbit ball on the thing. Yep, yeah, the wind noise filter thing. But yeah, it's beautiful out. I'm going out. Finally get a chance to clean this thing up and wash it up. We are going to. It's like they know I'm filming, but I don't blame them. It's beautiful out. So yeah, we're gonna give this thing a wash, but I'm here to bring you guys along with me to check out how it's performing in 6 months. We've really been happy with how the car looks, honestly. The self-cleaning abilities are awesome with this coating, as with any coating. That's why people opt for coatings, is because the self-cleaning abilities, the ease of maintenance, easier to wash, it stays cleaner, and the amount of gloss this thing retained, even though 3 months plus not washing it, not topping it, raining every single day. We had a streak of like 3.5 weeks where it was just raining, pouring. The old man was snoring. Yeah, so we're gonna get out and wash this thing, check out how it's performing, and go from there. So yeah, let's jump into it. Let's check it out. All right, everybody, here is the Civic. It's been about 3.5 months since I've washed it. Before we get into a rinse down, I want to give you guys kind of like a walk around to see just how clean this thing stayed in the past 3.5 months. I have not washed it or topped it. You can still see it's got some nice gloss to it. Also, I'm using my shotgun mic here. I'm not using my lavalier mic because it's really windy out, and I've got the bunny filter. That's what I call it, the bunny filter. It looks like a giant rabbit sitting on top of my camera. But just to block out the wind, I want to see how the audio is outside. Yeah, thanks, guy. Outside when it's windy. But yeah, check this thing out. It's been a while since I've washed it and topped it, so just look how clean it stayed. And that is the benefit of a coating. That's what you call self-cleaning properties. Is it dirty? Absolutely. Check this out. There is some dirt, but most of the dirt it's literally like from here down. This is my new camera, so I'm trying to get the feel of this camera and the setup and stuff. So I just want to give you guys a quick walk around. It is a little bit dirty. You can see a little dirt streaks there, but I mean, for the most part, this thing still looks pretty darn good. Most of the dirt accumulated back up here behind the tires. It's been raining. It was raining for about 3.5 weeks. It's absolutely gorgeous out right now. I got one of my ND filters on the end too, so hopefully that makes a difference. But for the most part, looks pretty good. Let's give it a rinse down. Let's see how this Kronos is performing. So far so good. You can see the lower panels are sheeting, but that's where all the dirt settles, so not terrible there. Check out the roof. Roof still looks good. Looks good to me. A little bit of sheeting action, but like I said, it's dirty, so give it the benefit of the doubt. Still doing its job. It's been 3.5 months since it's been washed and topped. Glass still looks good. Plastic looks good. Woo! Sorry, I had to turn away a little bit. It's windy. I don't want it to blow back in my camera. But for the most part, you can see where the dirt is at the bottom, where it's sheeting and it's kind of staying. But we'll give this thing a nice, good wash, and then we'll come back and check out the hydrophobics. And you'll probably find out that all the hydrophobics are back. So let's get to washing. I'm using I got my Apex Auto Wash here in my bucket. Just can't really see it, but yeah, I'm using the Apex Auto Wash, the new version. Let's get this thing washed up and bring back some hydrophobics. All right, everybody. So I went ahead and I got it washed down with my Apex Auto Wash. You guys, this stuff is so good. The lather is so rich and creamy. Works so well, so well. So I got this thing all washed down. Let's give it a rinse and see. Let's see if we brought back some hydrophobics. Oh, definitely. You can 100% see that. Now that's what I'm talking about. Brought back the nice hydrophobics back. The roof looked good before, but I gotta move to the other side because it's blowing stuff all over my camera. Jeez, I swear everybody's out on their bikes. As you can see, the soap is still on the car. Let's go ahead and give it a rinse down on this side. It's not so windy, blowing everything in my face. Looks phenomenal. Right back. Brought it back to life. Even these mirrors, they were completely flat before. These mirrors were so flat, even down here. You guys remember, all down here was flat, pretty much from here down. Check that out. It is super windy. You know, on the back here, phenomenal. Well, fire truck's coming, so You guys get the gist. Nice maintenance wash, brought all the hydrophobics back. I'm excited. Let's jump into some final thoughts. All right, everybody, quick final thoughts segment on the Kronos coating from PhoenixEOD. We just got done washing this thing. Now, I will tell you what, I know a lot of you guys out there, when you first saw me spray it, you were like, oh, it's dead, it's flat. Look at all the flat. Check this out. Don't instantly think that the coating's failing just because some panels are flat, especially when you just initially go to rinse it off. If you see coatings, you know, sometimes they look flat. Well, it's because they get clogged up, especially with dirt and grime. And you just got to get out there, you got to clean it up, and that's going to restore those hydrophobic properties to your coating. And that's the important thing about maintenance. Maintenance, right? Here, I've been 3 months since I've washed it, but that's okay. Before that, when it was nice out and the weather let me, every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I was washing it and topping it, washing it and topping it. So this was the longest stretch I've ever gone without washing it. So I was not surprised at all to see it, especially from the lower panels down. It was just completely flat. Now, some of you guys may have thought instantly, oh, that coating is dead. Nope, no way. After I gave it a good wash with the Apex Auto Wash, you guys, that stuff is so good, so good. The suds, the lathery, the richness, the lubrication, the cleaning power did its job. After a nice wash, it restored every bit of the hydrophobics back from the Kronos coating. It looks like day one. I'm extremely happy. Yeah, so don't count your coating out if you have a car that's coated, and if it's raining out or get some water on it, it looks like the beads aren't as tight. Just give it a nice good wash. And at 6 months, I would think I would need a deeper clean, maybe a higher alkaline soap, but nope, the Apex Auto Wash, phenomenal. Very happy. Car looks outstanding. Coating's performing 100% like it was when the day I applied it. Very happy. And that's all there is to this video. I mean, if you have any questions, comments, drop them down in the comments. You know, I'll reply to you. Like I said, I'll have the link to everything down in the description, especially the Phoenix website where you can find the PhoenixEOD products, Kronos, Apex Auto Wash, all the good stuff. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up for me while you're down there. Click that little notification bell. That way when I upload more videos, you guys will get notified. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. It means the world to me. I hope all you guys have a fantastic day, night, evening. Whatever it is, where you're at right now watching. And I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.